Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you need to transfer text or files between your local computer and a remote machine in AnyDesk, the software usually handles this automatically through its shared clipboard. I will show you exactly how to use this feature and fix it if it isn't working right now. Let's get started. First, under normal conditions, AnyDesk seamlessly synchronizes your clipboards. You can simply highlight text, a link, or a file on your local machine, press Ctrl+C to copy. Move your mouse over to the remote AnyDesk window and press Ctrl+V to paste. You can also use the standard right-click copy and paste menus just like you would if you were operating a single computer. Next, if the copy and paste function is completely unresponsive, the session permissions are likely blocking the data transfer. Look at the AnyDesk toolbar at the top of your remote session window, click on the permissions icon, which looks like a shield, and ensure that the Synchronize clipboard box is checked. Keep in mind that if the remote user had to manually accept your connection, they must also ensure the clipboard icon was enabled in their accept prompt. Finally, if text is copying perfectly fine but files are failing or freezing, you are likely trying to paste a file that is too large or complex for the basic clipboard cache to handle. Instead of trying to force a copy and paste, click the File Transfer icon in the top toolbar, which looks like a folder with arrows. This will open a dedicated dual-pane interface where you can securely browse, upload, and download heavy files directly between the two networks. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.